All right. So good afternoon. I don't know if I would say good afternoon, but good morning to some other people as well. So today we're starting a tutorial, our career challenge, and this is week 4. I would like to welcome everyone. Today we're going to be seeing AI in everyday life. Is it a supplement or is it a replacement? We'll be exploring the role of AI, of course, in our daily lives, how we're gonna use it, how we use it, and anything about that. And of course, this is week 4, the Courage Challenge. And without further ado, let's just go on. But before we go further, I would love to also request, in case you will have any compliment, any comment, any question while I'm talking, you can always raise a hand, or you can always use the chat box. But also after the session, we welcome also comments and anything about this. So let's start and see what we have today. It's going to be short. And of course, so there is this favorite person of mine, like Peter Drucker. He once said the best way to predict the future is to create it. I totally agree with that. And this is my favorite quote. Like, there is no way you can predict the future without creating it. You have to start right way there. And AI is just a buzzword. It's reshaping every industry right now. If you guys have seen like videos on TikTok and everything, like AI is really doing amazing. And today's exploration in is your chance to step into that future, not just watch it happen. So you have this chance to see and explore all that, what AI is bringing for us and everything. So this is now the opportunity for you. Don't just watch it happen, be part of it. So let's go and see. With AI is with AI is understanding AI. Also, this session is going to boost your career where you'll be understanding AI. Gives you a real edge in tech, finance, healthcare, and beyond. But also everyday example. Your ride-hailing app knows exactly where you are thanks to AI algorithm. There's critical thinking. You learn to dissect complex systems and valuable skills for any problem solver. There's societal stakes from medical diagnosis to loan approvals. AI decisions affect millions, but also shape ethical tech. By considering bias, privacy, and accountability, you become part of the solution. And then your role. By studying one tool deeply, you help ensure AI remains a force for good. So the recent fact, this was just a fact, but the recent fact here as well, AI technology is advancing so rapidly that in 2050, it's expected to start diagnosing most medical conditions as accurate as a human doctor. That's gonna be amazing. I can't really wait there. But also by 2030, AI is predicted to contribute to up 15.7 trillion to the global economy. That's also a very big opportunity. So you have got this chance to explore and see. Maybe also get a chance to earn some of this money. So now the question are, how can we develop a balanced perspective on the significance of AI in our daily lives? And how can we explore the idea of AI and as a supplement to human capability, not a replacement? People are afraid, oh, AI is going to replace like people's jobs. AI is going to do what people are doing right now, and people are going to lose jobs. Maybe true, maybe not. I don't know what you say. Maybe you can share in the chat box what do you think about this. But yeah, AI is everywhere, of course. That's obvious. And it enhances conveniences and efficiency, but also raises important questions about its impact. That's obvious. Let GPT to do it, of course. And task overview. Now let's get an overview of the task you'll be engaging in. What are you supposed to do with this challenge, with this week 4 challenge? So this exercise consists of 4 tasks, each designed to deepen your understanding of AI. You will select and investigate a specific AI application that you find interesting or relevant to your daily life, but also through research, analysis, and reflection. You will examine how AI works, its impact, ethical considerations, and room for improvement. That's what you have to do. And let's go to the challenge. But before we go to the challenge exactly, and it's already on 10x, if there is any question, any comment about this, it's an amazing topic. When I was choosing the topic, I was like, wow. So let's see maybe if there's any comment or anything. You there? Maybe in the chat box, you can share what you think. You can maybe try to answer these questions. There's some questions here. How can we develop a balanced perspective on the significance of AI in our daily lives? Maybe how do you think? What do you think about that? How can we explore the idea of AI as a supplement, not just a replacement, to human beings? Or maybe what's your perspective about that? And share in the chat. So without further ado, let's see the challenge document, what we have here. I think since it's very short, I'm gonna read each and everything for you. Before we continue, let me see if we are together. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Let me confirm. All right, thank you, Enoch. We have a comment in the chat box by Daniel Mituku. I think AI is not going to replace us, of course, but makes us lazy. It think people will stop thinking huge logical ideas and at all. Mm, I kind of agree with you, but it will depend how you plan how you want to use AI and everything because everything goes like with goals and all around like that. Yeah, so we go to the career challenge. I will shift the screen. I hope you can see it on your screen. Amazing. So this is 10 Academy, Kifiya AI Master Training Program Week 4. The careers exercise, which is more on AI in everyday life, is it a supplement or a replacement human being, but also this challenge invites you to explore how AI affects our daily life by selecting a real-world AI tool you use, understanding how it works, and evaluating its impact. You will investigate whether AI is enhancing human ability or starting to replace them. And the due date is going to be December 16th, 2025. That would be 11:59 p.m. East African time. And since, as I said, the current challenge is kind of short, I can go ahead and read the background, maybe to make it more clear. So in today's rapidly evolving, in today's rapidly evolving world, artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily lives, impacting the way we work, communicate, and make decisions. AI applications are everywhere, often working behind the scene to enhance convenience and efficiency. As AI technology continues to advance, it's crucial to develop a balanced perspective on its significance. While AI offers countless benefits, it also raises questions about how it influences our interactions with technology, the quality of our decision making, and the potential ethical implications that arise from its use. This exercise will allow you to investigate the reflection on choosing AI applications in your daily life. Explore how AI works um, its impact on your routines, and its broader societal implications. You will dive deeper to whether AI serves as a supplement, ability, or a potential replacement. And the exercise here is, so task one, you research and pick one AI application that you find interesting. That one that you really, really like. Most people like ChatGPT. I think it also works for me better. So all relevant in your daily life, explain why you choose it. For example, explain why you found it interesting or relevant. This is one slide. It's going to be one slide. And the task two, understanding how it works. Functionality, that's approximately 3 to 4 slides. Task two, we have A, A, you will describe in detail how that AI application functions. Explain the input it requires, the process it goes through, and the output it generates. B, describe how often you use that AI in your daily life. Include specific examples of situations or tasks where you really on it. And number C, describe the positive aspects of using that AI application. Discuss how it has improved your efficiency, convenience, or overall experience in the tasks it assists with. Number D, you will identify and discuss any challenges or limitations you have encountered while using the AI application you chose. This could include instances where it may not provide accurate results, misunderstandings, your requests, or has privacy concerns. Yeah. So task number three, societal impact and ethical considerations. This is going to be 2 slides. You consider the broader societal impact of that AI application. Has it changed how people interact or perform certain tasks? As Danny said, like it's going to make us lazy or something. So has it changed how people perform or interact certain tasks in society? And that was task three, number A, but also number B. On task three, you will reflect on the ethical aspects of the AI applications used. Are there any ethical dilemmas or concerns related to privacy, bias, or fairness associated with it? And task four, reflection. 1 slide. Then task four on reflection, we have number A, based on your research, analysis, and personal experience, while the chosen AI application, provide a clear and well-supported statement on whether you view it as a supplement to human tasks or as a potential replacement in the upcoming years. Despite your perspective with specific examples and insights gathered throughout the exercise. So the tasks, of course, the submission, you will create 8 slides PowerPoint presentation out the PPT, and then responding to all above task four actually. So the useful in life, of course, this exercise aims to deepen your understanding of AI impact on everyday life and encourage critical thinking about its role as a tool to replace human capabilities rather than replace them. By reflecting on a specific AI application, you will gain insights into its benefits and limitations, fostering a balanced perspective on AI role in society. So we have the marking rubrics. This is the base how we're going to be marking your assignment, your submissions. We have the research and selection. We're going to be having the point of understanding how it works, and but also societal impact and the ethical considerations, but also reflection, which is going to be 20%, 20, but also societal impact ethical is going to also be 20, but also understanding how it works, that's 40 marks, and research and selection is going to be 20 marks. So that marks the end of our Kairos challenge. We can accept questions, comments, and everything, and then we wrap up. You can see in the chat box, we have Moges Behailu. I'm sorry if I mentioned your name incorrectly. But the comment is AI is a supplement because we need AI for suggestions, not to overtake all our tasks. I agree. I agree. Maybe one day we're going to pose a question or a debate about AI. Is it a replacement or something? So if there's any question, please, you can ask. You can raise a hand or you ask in the chat box. And then we wrap up. Okay, I guess the silence says no, maybe. But in case you have any question later, or maybe while doing the exercise or while going through the challenge, please don't hesitate to reach out to me on Slack or on my email, Emilian@10academy. I'll be very happy to assist. So thank you so much for joining today, and that will be it for today. Uh, yeah, you find this one on 10x, and in case you have a challenge, just hit my inbox. Ciao, ciao.